Hello students, today we are going to deal with an amazing story by Leo Tolstoy entitled The Remorseful Sinner. It's a story about the remorseful sinner who knocks at the doors of Kingdom of Heaven and argues with the apostles and followers of Jesus Christ. The moral of the story is that God is love and that anyone who doesn't love doesn't know God. This was the beautiful story. Leo Tolstoy belongs to which country? Options are A. Russia, B. India, C. America, and D. England. And the correct answer is Russia. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian author. Next question. Leo Tolstoy was known for. The options are as a philosopher, B. Short story writer, C. Playwright, and D. All above. And the correct answer is all above. Leo Tolstoy is very famous for his philosophical writing, short stories, as well as playwrights. Who wrote the book entitled War and Peace? Whose masterpiece is this book entitled War and Peace? Options are A. Sardar Bhagat Singh, B. Leo Tolstoy, C. Dalai Lama, and D. Anne Sexton. And the correct answer is Leo Tolstoy. The man in the story, the remorseful sinner, lived in the world for how many years? Options are A. 55, B. 60, C. 70, and D. 100. The sinner lived in this world for how many years? And the correct answer is 70 years. The man lived in the world for 70 years. Next question. Who knocked at the door in the kingdom of heaven? Options are A. Peter, B. The sinner, C. David, and D. Saint John. And the correct answer is the sinner. The sinner man knocked at the door in the kingdom of heaven. Next, the theme or themes of the short story The Remorseful Sinner includes. Options are A. Sin, B. Suffering, C. Redemption, and D. All above. Which theme or themes are included in this short story? And the correct answer is all above. Next question. Whose voice did the sinner man heard when he knocks at the door for the first time? Options are A. Peter the Apostle, Saint John the Evangelist, C. David, King and Prophet, and D. All of these. As you have gone through this short story, you will come across three characters, and the first person who listened to the sinner man is no other than Peter the Apostle. Next, who hugged and admitted the sinner man into heaven? Options are A. King David, B. Peter the Apostle, C. Saint John the Evangelist, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is Saint John the Evangelist. The sinner man came across three characters from this short story, and finally the third person, that is no other than Saint John the Evangelist, opened the gates of heaven and admitted the sinner man into the kingdom of God. Next question. According to the sinner man who wrote the lines in his book, God is love, and anyone that doesn't love doesn't know God. Who has written this beautiful and meaningful line according to the sinner man? And the options are A. Leo Tolstoy, B. Saint John, C. David, and D. Peter. Please read the question carefully. In the initial portion, we have used this sentence pattern that according to the sinner man. Sometimes the student gets confused. In order to give the answer for this tricky question, but according to the sinner man who has written this beautiful line is no other than Saint John. Saint John has written this line in his book. Next question. How many times did the Jesus Christ find Peter the apostle sleeping that particular night? Actually, Jesus Christ has warned Peter to be awakened throughout the night, but he found that 3 times he was found sleeping there, and that was disobeying the God. Next question. Who seduced the wife of Uriah? Uriah was a soldier, and who seduced the wife of Uriah? And the options are A. The sinner, B. David, C. Peter, and D. Saint John. As you will be well aware of the story of King David, and particularly his scene of seduction of the wife of Uriah. So the correct answer is David. Next question. Who is the wife of Uriah? You should be familiar with this character also. And the options are A. Bathsheba, B. Marinda, C. Candida, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is Bathsheba. Bathsheba was the name of the wife of Uriah. Next. Who said, "O my Lord, like the thief on the cross, forgive me"? Whose statement is this? Whose pleading is this? Who requested to the Almighty in order to forgive him? And the options are A. Saint John the Evangelist, B. Peter the Apostle, C. David King, and D. The sinner man. And obviously the answer is the sinner man. The sinner man used different arguments in order to claim his place in the kingdom of heaven. Next, David was what kind of person? David was actually mentioned in different Christianity books as options are pardoner, B. king, C. accuser, and D. evangelist. And the correct answer is no other than King David. We came across so many biblical stories in which David was mentioned as a king. Next, a person who seeks to convert others to Christianity through public preaching is known as. These are the different, you can say, the terms used for the Christianity exploration, and the options are A. pardoner, B. accuser, C. evangelist, and D. Kaifa. And the correct answer is evangelist. Evangelist is a person who spread Christianity through public preaching.